Hey guys, Eloisa here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn a horizontal video into a vertical video for Reels in 3 easy steps using iMovie. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright, so you open iMovie and drop your project in. You see right here, this is me skydiving, getting a second chance at life. Okay, so you want to put it here on the timeline, and the next thing you want to do is highlight everything right here, click this little square icon at the top, which is to crop, and you're going to flip it. I like to flip it this way to the right, and then everything has turned vertical. Next, you want to click here, crop to fill, and you're able to move this around. Now this is going to be where the video actually lies. So I'm going to do this clip by clip. Alright, so once you're done with that, then you're just going to export here, export the file. Save it to the desktop. Okay, once that disappears, then you know it's fully exported and it'll let you know. So we're gonna open this up. Ta-da! It worked. Okay, and then you can just save it. Ta-da! So once you flip it and save it, then you're good to go. Now, if you are planning to post this to Instagram Reels, Shorts, or TikTok, then you're gonna wanna check out some of my other videos because there are some pretty important things that you're gonna need to know in order to post this video and get the most amount of views as possible. So if you're interested in how to blow up your social media game, go ahead and click some of these other videos and check out some of my playlists. Okay, bye.